And 19 Investigates is taking a deeper look into the background of that plant, Conn-Selmer.
Mike Mason finding the company has recently been cited for serious violations.
Both the Ohio EPA and OSHA have found the company in violation of a number of health and safety issues. As a result, the company is facing hundreds of thousands of dollars in penalties. The Ohio Environmental Protection Agency hit Conn-Selmer with 7 violations earlier this year. In March, inspectors found unlabeled containers of hazardous waste at the East Lake plant. According to the inspection report, 3 employees had also not received proper hazmat training, and there was no contingency plan sent to first responders in case of an emergency. The Ohio EPA says all of those issues have since been resolved. 19 Investigates also uncovered a list of serious OSHA violations. The most recent case was opened this past July. A rep for OSHA tells us they're investigating an accident involving a partial fingertip amputation. And there was also another amputation incident in October of last year. In that case, Conn-Selmer was cited for not ensuring that effective machine guarding was in place. In February of 2019, OSHA cited Conn-Selmer for 9 health and safety violations, including exposing workers to copper dust and machine hazards. The latest incident involving the partial fingertip amputation is still ongoing. OSHA says they won't release any information until that investigation is complete. Mike Mason, 19 News.